Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm CodeWithAhsan and you probably like me from my content on JavaScript, web development and Flutter. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you why I'm moving my streams to Twitch compared to YouTube. As you know, I already did some of the sessions of my live streaming on YouTube. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel for the notifications for the next videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first reason is obviously keeping the targeted content on YouTube. As you know, I love to share all the content that I learned, whether it's from developing software or kind of creating videos. But the thing is that some of the content might not be directly related to my existing followers and subscribers, and therefore it might not make sense to have those live streams on YouTube which have that particular content which the audience is not interested in. So I've decided to keep only the video content in my channel which is more relevant to you who have subscribed already or who are going to subscribe. The next thing is, of course, building a community. You know that I love to share the content that I already know about in form of videos, but I also want to create a community that can ask questions from me, that I can help out, that I can ask questions from, kind of know them better, laugh at jokes, share memes, and just to hang out, because especially around this COVID times, it's really essential to not be alone and kind of interact with people just to kind of get rid of or get distracted from this loneliness that I think we all are kind of experiencing at the moment. And for building a community, I don't believe that YouTube is the right choice, but that's just my opinion. I think that Twitch is far better in terms of UI, in terms of the extensions that it provides to keep engagement with your community, also to kind of moderate the content that is being shared in the comments in terms of like community guidelines, enforcing them, and also kind of having a sort of engagement that could be in terms of sharing multiple stickers. And there are a lot of rewards that also come when you are streaming on Twitch and when you have a community on Twitch. For example, I'm going to show you these two extensions that I just installed on my Twitch stream. So if you go to the bio link in the description, you can just go to the Twitch about, and here you should be able to see these two extensions which is showing the latest followers. So if you have recently followed me, you should be able to see your name here. And also if I'm live streaming and you want to play a sound yourself on my stream, you can also just go here and just press this button. For instance, if you want this sound to be played, you can just preview how it would sound on the live stream, which is something like this. And then you can play it and this would directly be played on my stream. So this is just a bit interesting to kind of have engagement in the stream and kind of being connected with me on a much better level. So I think that Twitch being a platform for what it's meant for, I think I'm gonna go with that rather than just trying it on YouTube, which probably doesn't have all those tools at the moment. The third reason is the Ask Me Anything sessions that I did earlier. So you might have noticed through some notifications that I do these streams of Ask Me Anythings. The thing is that the people who join those streams are mostly from my social network like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and the stats show that not most of the people who are my followers or subscribers on YouTube watch those streams, which means that they are sort of irrelevant to them. And I wouldn't want to push notifications to my viewers or my subscribers for Ask Me Anything session which they are not interested in. So I think that is more related content of live streaming, of interaction, that goes towards Twitch, just to not combine those two and saturate my channel with two different things which are completely not related at all. The fourth reason of moving to Twitch is I can't actually make videos for all the things that I learn about, and the reason is that those techniques are very little, and when I want to share them with you folks, it's really hard for me to create a whole scenario around that technique, because the perfect video is in the format of here is a problem, this is the technique, and this is how you solve it. Now for every little technique, kind of constructing that whole situation is a bit hard for me. And I think that's where the live stream comes in, because I do want to share those techniques with you, but not in a form of complete video tutorials. It might rather be a good idea to just live code them, and as I'm learning those things, I can share them on Twitch. And those of you who are watching, you can just use the clip feature of Twitch to kind of clip those videos out, and then we can link those and share those in your circles as well. And we can also kind of take out those little videos and maybe upload them as shorts on YouTube, which is a much better idea than just creating whole videos or whole live streams on YouTube. And the final reason that I want to move to Twitch with this live stream idea is that I have got a lot of comments like this one, and this one on my videos, which revolve around slight modification on the content that I already shared. For instance, the Flutter contact list. So there are a bunch of questions like how do I do this with that, how do I do this, and kind of creating a whole video for all of those little things is a bit hard for me. What I usually do is that when I'm kind of seeing those comments, I kind of note them down and I think that, hey, I'm gonna be creating videos for them. But then the list keeps on growing, and as I create more videos, more items come on those lists, and it's really hard to complete all of them. So what I would do is that I would address those comments in my live stream, and then you can clip those things out, clip those videos, and then just use them as reference for the work that you are trying to do. So I'm going to be addressing these comments on my videos on the live stream. So I would highly encourage you to join those so I can reply them all during the live stream. And that's pretty much it. Those are the 5 reasons I have for moving the live streams to Twitch. This is an experiment that I'm trying to do right now, and I believe that Twitch is a platform which is heavily used for entertainment and gaming, but I do think that it's a really good platform for building a community as well, even for programming. And this is something that I'm gonna need your help with. So if you're interested in joining me on my live streams, you should be able to see the link in the description. If you think this is a good idea to go to Twitch for live streaming, let me know in the comments. If you think YouTube is better, let me know also in that case. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do it right now, because there's a lot more videos coming up with the actual things that I want to share apart from the streaming as well. And if you like this video, please give this a big thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next video.